Alright, so this is the chart of the trade we took yesterday, and if you guys can actually see, all of the 10 trade was absolutely jam. All of the 10 trade was absolutely jam. We actually got the entry perfectly, and once I started showing you guys, you actually understand what I'm actually talking about. The R of this trade, the logistic was perfectly. So this is our not coin USDT. As you can see, we actually enter right here, as you can see, and our stop loss was tight. We were actually going down about 2.7 to actually catch about 20, and right now I think we are around 10. So using your leverage, you guys do the math. So let's check another one. This is API. We couldn't take the trade because we could not find the entry perfectly, so we don't want to risk. We actually went on take profit, as you can see, if we actually take the trade as well. And our IMF, the IMS, we actually banked this seriously, and the trade is still running as I've shown you guys. So as you can see, we have a very perfect entry right here at this spot right here, and it actually skyrockets. So you guys should understand this is knowledge. You have to understand this. It's all about the fundamental. Applying the fundamental with your technical knowledge and your structure, you are going to be banned. I used to tell my student, for me to take a 10 trade, it's hard for me to actually take, let me say, 2 or 3 losses on that 10 trade, because I'm not going to be entering the trade when the opportunity is not there. As you can see right here, if I've actually entered the trade right here, as you can see, it's going to be plummeted and hit my stop loss. But actually wait for the trade to come towards good entry, and I enter. As you can see, it's very hard for the price to actually trade below the average price, as I actually used to teach. So we are expecting this big jump right here to actually come and break the overall trend that is coming to actually take our profit at I think 26% take profit using our leverage of 10 or 5. So as you can see, this is CFS actually give us our TP1 right here, and as you can see, it should test the CP1 and it's actually heading on to our TP2 right here, which is close to 0.15450 or so. So as you can see, the entry as well, we actually caught this before this, because we actually saw the trend as the change of character has actually occurred right here. This is the place we ought to have take the trade right here to wait for it to test on the average, but we actually take it down here, and you can see with this massive profits as I showed you guys. So let's see another one. So BTC, we actually analyze it because this is the fundamental. So I'm not going to go more about how I usually use BTC to judge all the other market right here. So as you can see, let's check another one. Tone, no, I couldn't take Tone because I think the last trade we took on Tone hit our stop loss right here. And what happened is because we did not follow the rules. Right here, as you can see, the trade actually started going irrespective of anything, but something happened to Bitcoin and general, and as you can see, it actually plummeted, and we took our 1 point something percent of our out of our capital, so we didn't take that. So after we take the losses, so we have to move on. It's part of the game, so we could not take the next move right here because we cannot actually trade all the market at once. So we just have to like pick those 10 that we understand, that we see the opportunity very clear before we enter the market. So let's see another one. And one card, actually we didn't take this, but we actually set it down, which actually like go and skyrocket. As you can see, if we actually take it, it actually pass our TP2 as well. So let's go SRP. We didn't take it, but I analyzed it, and as you can see, if we actually take it, we'll have entered the trade right here, not here. So let's go it. We actually analyze it as well, but it's actually close to the TP if we actually enter the trade right here, but we didn't take it from the top 10 coin that we actually picked. From the top 10 coin that we actually picked yesterday to trade on. So let's see. This also we didn't take it, but we actually analyzed most of the market yesterday because the opportunity was very clear. The plant actually gave us our TP1 and TP2, as you see. As you can see, all of this line like a sword, right? This is how you have to understand how to analyze it, so you can have a better entry if you actually understand the TCL my model. You should actually know how to figure out you have your better entry price level, so you can actually get a very nice logistic of the trade. So as you can see, we take the plan and also the Solana. If you can actually see from the list, we actually trade the Solana as well. As you can see, the Solana actually give us our TP1 and the TP2. I was even sleeping when the alert actually came on my phone that Solana have actually sold, and it gave us our TP1 and our TP2. And amazing, is actually even breaking the overall bullish trend that is actually bringing from the beginning. As you can see, it's actually break it, and I think Solana should keep on going higher. As you can see, Bitcoin is actually reading higher as well. So I think we took another here. We have the KDA. The KDA USDT is actually massive game for us because we actually caught the trade before this pump actually happened, and as you can see, this is amazing. The logistics of the trade was absolutely jammed, and if you can see all of this entry, they actually look alike because we understand what we're looking for in the market. That is why we are having all of these jam trade, as you can see. So we have the storage USDT as well. As you can see, this amazing entry right here. As you can see, they actually look alike, and as you can see, our aim was massive. That was 17% take profit, and you can see using our leverage, you can have close to around 170% of the money, or close to 100, depending on the X that you are using. As you can see, these are amazing. We are in serious profit on all of these 10 trade right here. And we have the LPT. We also took the LPT. The LPT are amazing. As you can see, the entry as well is same and exactly as other. So that's to tell you that we are not actually gambling. We actually know the opportunity in the market when it's there. When it's not there, we keep up from the market. So as you can see right here, these are amazing. Still on in profit. Our TP2 still going on, and our TP1 is actually hit, and we took the take profits at that level. We are expecting 20.50% full take profit. That is amazing. So as you can see, the logics of the trade are amazing. HBAR, we couldn't take the trade because as you can see, actually this is where we ought to have taken the trade, but we miss it. So we don't run after a moving train, so we have to exercise the patience if we have a good entry. And as you can see, we have a good entry right there. That's why we take it, and you can see price actually skyrocket to our TP if we actually trade the HBAR, but we didn't take it. So we move on to the next one, which is H5. H5 was an amazing entry as well, and as you can see, the entry is still same model. So that is to tell you the model that we're actually using is a well-tested model. You are not going to be entering a trade when the opportunity is not there. So you can see this is a nice entry, as you guys can see, and we are aiming higher right here. And our TP1 has actually hit. We are aiming around 20 take profit, full take profit. But we have actually moved our stop loss for all the trade to our break even. So the trade right now is no risk. So all we have to do is just keep on taking profit. As you can see, that's H5. Let's see the next one. Sweet, we didn't take sweet, like I said. Well, we actually analyze it as well. We have TRB. TRB was amazing as well. We caught it at a nice discount level. As you can see, it's actually running amazingly. As you can see, the model is this same thing that we actually analyze. As you can see, same cross, same analysis, and same movement. So nothing in trading that is very hard. Once you put in the work to learn it. So as you can see right here, we have the not as well. We make a crazy amount of these knots. As you can see, it's actually break the overall downtrend. It's actually break the minor downtrend, and will also break the overall trend on the 4 hours. As you can see, these are amazing. Our R was what we are 20% full take profit. So these are amazing. Although we close part of the profit, and leaving the order to keep on running, and move our stop loss to break even, so we are risk free on all of the trade. So this is an opportunity that we actually see in the market. As you can see this as well. So we just have to put in the work to learn the strategies and all the model behind this. So you guys can actually, so we actually trade the IMS as well. We're also in profit, big profit. We're not talking about small profit, we're talking about big profit. And as you can see, our entry was perfectly had to hit the our stop loss at 2. As you can see, and we are aiming very high. As you can see, we wanted to break the overall downtrend coming from the minor downtrend. As you can see, so we expected to break the overall downtrend to the upside, so we can have our 40p. So that's all for the analysis, and we have the CFS also. We take CFS. As you can see, most of the entry are just as that same. So this is how to tell you that your opportunity is in the market. So that's why we are entering. The opportunity is not there. You have to look for a way to take the opportunity. We don't force the market, allow the market to come towards you and take the opportunity. So this is all of the analysis of the trade we traded yesterday, which is about 10 trade, and all of them run into profit. We have no drawdown. As you can see, this was CFS and BTC. So I told you guys, we actually use BTC as fundamental to actually know what's actually going on in the market. BTC is telling us what we have to do in the market. We have to follow the structure and check the shift of in the character of others to actually bank the profit. So, and if you guys are interested in the challenge which I'm going to be starting on the 12th of this month, we are going to be like turning rag into rich by turning $15 or $100 into 5k or 10k and above, using this same my strategies, my model, which is actually showing a proof that these actually work over and over and again, which I've been using over and over to actually make a lot of money from the market right here. So you guys can actually check. I put a link in the video description. The least you can start with the challenge is $50 or $100 and above. You want to take $100 or $50 to 5k or 10k and above, using a proper risk management. For just 2 months we are going to be running this. We might not reach 2 months before we can actually hit the 5k, because once we have the capital, we can actually start like flipping the account with proper risk management to actually hit our goal. So you guys should actually join link in the bio for more information on that. So that's all about this trade we took. So you guys should actually check all of these on your chart and analyze it and see why we enter into this trade. So this is a better way to actually learn how to trade. You check the trade as previously take, and you check why the professionals are actually taking it and why they actually leave it for not taking the trade. So this is how you can actually understand how to trade. I used to tell my students, once I took it to I actually send them the chart to actually see why I'm entering into trade, so they can be master of that strategy, so they can understand why and reason why I took the trade. And if it actually go along with the analysis, they are actually going to memorize it very easily, because they actually see why and reason why I took it. So that's all about this analysis, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on all my social media, on TikTok, on YouTube, for more knowledge just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.